Hloso comes home to find Mthunzi enjoying Christmas with his family at his house. Madlomo tells Tutugo that she is pregnant with Mthunzi's baby and they're together. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. Madlomo bought Christmas clothes for the kids and they're so happy, appreciating what their mother is doing for them. Madlomo is happy just they're there as a family. Tutugo tells them that Mthunzi sees them as their family since umawakhe shonile. Ulihle just sitting there like, ooh, only if he knew. And then Unhloso is enjoying Christmas with his new family. Kanye, Jewel, no Mtabi, they're opening their gifts. Dintle got them presents. Tablets, pretending as if they bought them together. Unhloso also got Udintle gift, some scarf, a black and white scarf, some cheap scarf, and you could just see it was cheap, but Udintle went and got Unhloso a whole watch, gold watch. Unhloso was not really impressed because why would she get him such an expensive gift? I thought we were saving for the house, but we didn't has money and says that he just wanted to spoil me and Wake. Unhloso comes home to find umndeni wakhe happy no Mthunzi. Like they're so happy, it's all jolly, bahleka. Unhloso comes in, it's like ngqongqo. Now he's shocked ukuthi Mthunzi wenzani la? What is he do? What is this guy doing in my house with my family? Tutugo did not waste time and told him ukuthi mina invite ubaba omncane Mthunzi. You could just see ukuthi Tutugo enjoyed that. And then Madlomo offers ukuthi hi Silana, we have food. Do you want anything to drink, something to eat? You can just see ukuthi Unhloso felt out of place because what is Mthunzi doing there? You could just see ukuthi akekho right. He says that he's not staying near him, but Tutugo was like, I say go back to your new family. But Ulihle was like, nope, don't leave yet. Mom made a lot of food and ginger beer, so come and enjoy it. So when he's sitting in the kitchen, as you can just see what he's evaluating the situation. What's really happening here? What is Mthunzi doing here? Why are they so happy on Mthunzi? This man has just stepped in and closed my shoes. Like he's now the father figure in my own home. Hi. Sparks are flying on the table. Madlomo and Mthunzi busy like eyeing each other. Even Tutugo can see good how something can't off la. The way babugana corner these people, something is off la. Madlomo even made Mthunzi's kaftin umpagela you gonna take this home. Mthunzi was appreciating saying yabonga and they all thanked him for spending Christmas with them. And then Tutugo decides, I saw the way you guys have been looking at each other. Mthunzi has his person, unomuntu wakhe. But Madlomo was like, no one knows because that person is me. The shock Tutugo. Are you telling me no Malum Mthunzi are together? Yeah, we're together, and it's not just that. I'm also pregnant with his baby. We could just see Tutugo was judging his mom at how whereas you could just see he's defeated, but not. He didn't react as badly as I thought he would. I wonder what was and then Utlhogi, no Bridget, no Victor, no Taps, they're enjoying Christmas together. And then Utlhogi noticed that Victor is still taking the tablets that he saw him take yesterday in secret because he told Bridget that he's going to the bathroom and to usale lokuthatha amaphilisi. And then Utlhogi decides she's going to tell Bridget, hey, I saw this guy taking pills in secret. This means this guy is sick. But Bridget is taking it likely, saying how people take pills for different reasons. Maybe what if this man is sick? I think you need to be cautious before you go very far with this man. Now Bridget is wondering what's really going on. And then there's Christmas like everyone is there, even the both diverted are there, Nemtwanake, no casa. And then just telling each other stories. Now Otiri is just we are never like hey umgana kuyashada and realizes Divide has been wasting her time because and says she wants her own wedding now. She's not waiting another 15 years to get married. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.